Years ago, power windows were an extra cost option that was uncommon due to the price. Today, the tide has turned, and it's almost rare to see a passenger car without them. But that doesn't mean that tried and true manual windows don't exist. As rare as they are on new vehicles, there are many thousands of vehicles on the road that came with this feature from a simpler time, and in addition to passenger cars, they are popular on many heavy-duty and industrial trucks and vans. Manual window regulators utilized an input shaft for the gear drive, to which was attached the window crank. The shaft and cranks are splined so the crank doesn't spin, and they are held in place by a clip or screw. As basic as they were, manual windows aren't immune to problems. In some cases, the splines can wear or strip. In others, the knob may break off the end, and sometimes the crank simply breaks in two. Older cranks were made of metal, and in these cases, stripped splines and broken knobs were the most common problems. Newer cranks were mostly plastic, and these are the ones that typically break in two. What does this mean to you, the counter professional? This is a great opportunity to help your customer get the parts they need. Replacement window cranks are made for the majority of applications on the road to match the style, material, and color of the original. In addition to the cranks, many replacement knobs are available for more economical repair. And don't forget about window crank washers, a thin piece of plastic that installs between the window crank and door panel to prevent wear on the panel. One final detail, a special clip release tool is available for removing clip-retained window cranks, and these make the job a lot easier. So the next time your customer is fighting a manual window, you've got the answers to get them fixed up and rolling once again. Thanks for watching.